If you watch the videos recently, you'll see that my trusty Hitachi grinder that I've had for years finally gave up the ghost. So I went down to Harbour Freight, had some coupons, went in different days. So first of all, I bought myself this Bauer one. This Bauer one was like 26 bucks, something like that. It's pretty hefty. It's got that nice safety trigger thing. I'm using this for grinding. What I don't like about it is that this is for adjusting this guard, so you can flip this up and twist this guard to different it's easy to move the guard around, that's good, but it kind of impedes on the distance here that you can use if you have a cut-off disc. Imagine this was a cut-off disc. I got him around here. I can't find any right now. Anyway, here's one. Here's a thinner cut-off disc, but you're not going to get very far into the metal with this bit. Yeah, so I thought, and also I thought, rather than keep changing blades all the time, this one's got a like a sanding disc on it. I thought I'd get this ultra cheap Warrior one, and I went there a couple times and they were out. Then they restocked. This was like 11 bucks to people in the club. This was a lot lighter. It's got this old style switch which will probably break, but you know, I use it for less complicated grinding, less heavy grinding. This one's like 12,000 RPM. I think the other one was like 14,000 or more. But this one, yeah, so I won't have to keep changing the good value for 11 bucks, right? And I won't have to keep changing the blades. You know, when you get working on a stop, change the blades, get on with something else. So anyway, yeah, quite pleased. This one, more heavy duty, but still good value. And this one, fantastic value. I didn't bother. Why? They're like, do you want the extra warranty? No, the warranty is more expensive than the thing itself. So if this dies, I'll throw it away. Don't tell it that. Anyway, there you go.